woke up this morning feeling strange as can be. My mind's in a fog, can't get no peace in me. She looked in my eyes, whispered soft and low. Now I'm tangled in a magic and I can't let go. Oh, Miss Voodoo Woman, what you done to me? Miss Voodoo Woman, setting my poor soul free. Feels like chains around my heart and I just can't break away. Someone put a spell on me and I'm bound to stay. She moves like the shadows, midnight in her hair. Got a black cat smiling, candles burning everywhere. She stirred up a potion